Alrighty. So, I want to start today. We're 2-mod day today, so I want to start today with going over homework. So if you get out your homework packet first, let's get any questions that we may have on that first. Okay. So now then what I want you to do is on page 7 of your note packet, which is the white packet then, on page 7, you're doing that whole side. Okay? So number 1, part A, you're solving for R, and part B, you're solving for R, and number 2, you're solving for N. That means I want in number 1A, I want R equals. Number 1B, I want R equals. Number 2, I want N equals. Then the third one says, find the domain and range, that's interval notation, and then graph the inequality on the number line there for number 4. Okay? Go for it. So if I want to get R by itself in part A, what do I need to do?
Divide both sides by t.
By t, because R is being multiplied with t, so then the opposite of that would be dividing. So I'm going to divide both sides here by t, and so I get d over t is equal to R. And that's it solved for R because it's in R equals form. R equals is the same as equals R. Okay. If I want to get R by itself in letter B, what do I need to do? Allie, what do I need to do to get R by itself in letter B? On both sides? Yep, exactly. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Can I combine, because then that's 6, just like this dividing by t over here, cross those out, that crosses those out, so then I'm left with R equals, can I combine 3b and minus 6? No, so we're just going to leave it as 3b minus 6. Number 2, I want to get N by itself. So what would I do? Number 2, go ahead.
Can you multiply both sides by 3?
I can multiply. I really want, because it's 1/3 times N, right? So I really want to divide by 1/3, but dividing by 1/3 is the same as multiplying by 3. Yep, exactly. Because I want to go multiply by 3 over 1 here, and then those 3's cancel each other out. So then I got to multiply by 3 over 1 there, or just by 3, and then that gives me N equals 3b there. Okay. Would have accepted dividing by 1/3 there, because that's the same as multiplying by. Okay. Love it. Forgot to box my answer. Okay. Number 3, find the domain. Domain is which part of the graph? The x's, okay? So I need to find the farthest left x. Farthest left x would be over here at -5. Would you agree with that? Then I need to find the farthest right x. That would be over here at 5, 6, 7, right? Okay. And we've got filled in holes on both of those, yes? So that means that we're going, yes, exactly, 6, 7, yeah, I did it, okay? So we would be from -5 with a bracket to 7 with a bracket.
Wait, so like, why would it be that? Was it always going to be bracketed, or?
If it was just a like one of those, an open dot, then it wouldn't have been a bracket. It would have been a parentheses. Yeah. But but because it was a filled in dot, it's a bracket. Yep. All right. Range is what? The y-axis. So now I'm looking at where the range is. So I look for the lowest point that it went to. It went all the way down here to -4, and it went all the way up here to +6. Okay? So again, that would be then bracket -4, comma 6, bracket. Questions on that one? Graph the inequality on the number line. What does this statement right here mean? Give it to me in regular terms, not give it to me in Mr. Myers terms. Give it to me so that us farm boys understand. What does that mean, though? What does that mean? What do we want? Bingo, we want all the numbers bigger than -3, right? Okay, that's what that's saying. All the numbers bigger. Remember, the alligator likes to eat the bigger number, okay? So the bigger number is x, so we want all the numbers bigger than -3, okay? On a number line, bigger numbers are on which side? Left or right? They're on the right side, okay? So that means in the end, our arrow is going to be going to the right, because we want bigger numbers than 3. Okay? What does that tell me?
Greater than?
Just greater than, right? Is it equal to? No. So how do I represent that on a number line?
An open dot.
An open dot. Yep. Okay, so I put an open dot at -3, and truthfully, for me, that's the only number that I care about on your number line. I don't care about all those other numbers. I only care about -3. Yeah? And then we said which way was our arrow going to go? Arrow was going to go to the right. So we're going to come up and out, and we're going to go a little bit to the right. Or all the way to the right, I should say. Now, if it had something where we had another number on it, then we might not go forever and ever and ever to the right. We might stop at another number. Okay? Questions on any of those? Look at that. You guys have 20 minutes to work on your homework.